Hey guys, welcome back to your cannabis news. This is Steve with Cough Country. Be sure to tune in this week. Give us a like, subscribe to us, follow so you don't miss any of these news stories coming at you. We start off in Ohio, 24th state to legalize recreational cannabis. Big deal, but there's a few things that might make this one a little bit different. Check it out. We've got more and more people using cannabis while they're pregnant. Is that a good thing? Is it bad? We'll do a dive. We'll figure it out. Then we're going over to the Ukraine, where the war-torn nation is doing everything it can to get medicinal cannabis to its people, but one little group has something else to say. I bet you can figure out how that'll go. Then finally, I bet you think the Amish have nothing to do with cannabis. You might want to tune in. I've got something for you. Guys, check us out this week on Cough Country News.